Hello. Today's project we have like V70 here, and we need to replace the clock spring or the DSTC steering wheel angle sensor, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, airbag clock spring, that probably is the universal right word for it. This is from universal spare part, not the Volvo original wheel work. I have done these 3 or 4 already, so that's a familiar thing for me. So first of all, we are messing with the airbag. So when you are doing this, first disconnect battery. I have already done this like yesterday, so there is no currency on the cable, so it's good to proceed. I believe Volvo's instruction is minimum 30 minutes without the power, so that is the situation. So next thing, we are going and we are removing the airbag so we can take the steering wheel off. And for the record, I didn't drive car in, so it is how it is here, but it's in and we can start messing around. So I get the tools and let's start. Okay, this isn't the easiest way to film this, but here both sides on the steering wheel there is a T25 Torx screw. You open those here, you can see both sides. I will undo those and we take the... Okay, now I have opened those, and I don't have cameraman or way to hold this. I put you guys on there. You can see me use the both hands and pull this up like this. All right. Then we have the sockets here. We need to unplug that one. Oh, my fingers. I need lights. Sorry, this is terrible with one hand. So remove that. Then you need to unplug these. Like this. Like that. And airbag is free. Next up. Okay. Now we need to remember which position the steering wheel was. So a little bit off. And you can see here those T25 screws that we opened. So both sides, these are holding the airbag, and there is these connection holes. And now we open the steering wheel bolt one more. All right, so this is a 18mm bolt, and let's undo this. Oh, yeah, I need the long socket, but you know the drill. Down and out. One moment, and like so, it's off. Put it bolt there, and we have these bracketry here. Let's take it that. And now How the hell I get this camera so you can see? It's just coming like that. Nothing strange on that. I will pull the cables. Way like so. Okay, that's it. Steering wheel off. And now I will take the plastic covers off. Okay, I need both hands on this. Here on bottom we have oops. Let's not lose these. Doing the shots, but we need to take these plastics off so we can remove the was that all? I am that's it. Next, we remove this. New park side screwdrivers. I need to just take this off. Alright, I had a wrong part here, so I went and ordered a new one. It will arrive when it will arrive. So let's put this back together. Assembly is opposite of the disassembly, so we're putting this back and keeping everything in location like so. We had the 3 Phillips screws here. Two on the top here. These are not that tight, just holding the plastics in place. There is actually the location pins, so these are just keeping the things together. Like so. Then this here. Putting that in place. Like so. And now we put back on the covering plastics. Oh yeah, this connector was there. So this goes with that. I have these torque screws here that holding the plastic down. Okay, like so. We have underside plastic place. I will go into the car. Now we put this plastic on because it's easier that way. Easy my ass. Like so. Those goes there. And same procedure this side. This is just pushed like so. Put that back together. Okay. Now we put the steering wheel back, and we remember that it was a little bit angled, so I think it was like so. Now the steering wheel is into place. We put the bracketry here. That's there in place, and now we put the nut back on. There is a red Loctite in. We are using them. Good and tight. Okay. And that's it. And then we take the airbag, put the connector there, and connect the color coded connectors here. Like so. Like so. Now we slide this to its position, like so again, and then we screw the holding screws back in. This instruction is quite equal to all old models that has a airbag and all this. Oops. How the every one of those steering wheels has a similar way to connect the airbag. Well, these later ones, this P2 chassis, this has this side, but S40 and older, it is like here back on the steering wheel. So yeah. That's it. Yeah. Now I just connect the battery and that's it. That's how you replace the clock spring on the V70 or any P2 Volvos. Thanks to watching.